Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create super easy blue gift bag using Drop of Sunshine free papers. I really hope this video will inspire you to create something absolutely unusual today. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to cut and score the back and the front of our bag. This is the back of our bag and it's going to be 6 inches wide. Then we're going to have 6 inches up and I'm going to score half inch to the left and right, and then I'm going to actually cut not 3/4 but half an inch, and then later on you can use any edgeable die you've got in your stash. And then we also have to create a panel that will go at the very bottom, so we can actually attach the back and the front of our bag. And again, it has to be 6 inches wide and it's going to be 2 inches, and we're going to score it at half, then inch, and an inch and a half. And this way we can actually make our bag flat, and when we want to put something we can easily open it. Now I'm going to show you how to create the front. So again, it's going to be 6 inches wide and we have to do 5 inches up, and I'm going to score half inch from both the left and the right side. And this way we're going to make sure that actually all the pieces match together, which is super quick, cool, and we're going to make sure that our bag is really beautiful. Now we also need panels for the left and right side, and again we are going to create panels and score them at half inch and inch and a half. If you actually have shorter panels, that's absolutely fine, and I'm actually going to show you how to do it. And this one will measure 4 3/4 inches because our bag is 5 inches and it has to be slightly smaller. Now I'm going to show you which papers I used, and you can easily download it from Buy Me a Coffee website, and I left the link in the description down below. As you can see, I printed this beautiful design double-sided with another paper, and this way your bag will have beautiful design inside. And now we are going to actually start creating the back of our bag, and this one will be 6 inches. And now I'm going to show you exactly how to score it. It is super simple, so I really hope it will inspire you to actually create your own version of this beautiful bag, and actually can use those free papers, which is absolutely amazing. And also in the description down below I left links to all social media for Marta, amazing new YouTube channel, and also Instagram account where you can see all the makes from Drop of Sunshine. Absolutely amazing, and I really hope you will feel inspired. Now as you can see, I'm scoring all those lines which I drew on the right hand side, so if you want you can actually take a screenshot on both of them. And it is time to cut those pieces out. And again, as I said before, instead of 3/4 I use half of an inch because I'm going to use that beautiful cutting die from Crafter's Companion, and I'm going to die cut the top. Some edgeable dies actually have the background panel as well. This one doesn't, so I'm going to show you a trick how you can actually use it and make sure it is beautiful. I've got 300 GSM white card, and I'm going to put our die cut here, and using my pencil I'm literally going to trace around the top panel. And yes, you probably guessed it, I'm going to fussy cut it, which is actually super quick and easy. However, I really recommend you take your time when you do it, because we want all those lines to be exact matching our top panel. So as you can see, you don't really need matching background panel to your edgeable die. That is absolutely fine. You can literally use anything you've got in your stash, and I really encourage you to actually do it, because I'm pretty sure you've got loads of beautiful cutting dies you can use for this project. And to put all my pieces together, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because it is perfect for any paper craft projects. Now I'm going to trim my white panel slightly, so it is really nicely finished. And again, I'm using my liquid glue just to finish it off. And now I'm going to use my scoreboard again and actually go over the same score lines, because when we put the white cut, it is a little bit thicker. So when you put it on your scoreboard, it is so much easier to fold those lines. And if you have any excess of the cut, it is that time now to use your scissors and cut the excess. Super quick and easy. Now we got the front of our bag, and again it is 6 inches. We're going to measure 5, and we are going to create some notches and then cut the sides. Super quick and easy. And this panel at the top you can actually use for the side panels, which is absolutely amazing, and I really encourage you to do it. So don't waste your beautiful design papers. Use them for every single element, and you'll be amazed how many beautiful projects you can create. And I actually wonder, have you ever made a gift bag using any design papers? If you have, did you create your own template, or did you use someone else's template? Or maybe you actually have a cutting die that is in the shape of a bag. That would be amazing as well. So please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to score all those side panels and the bottom panel, which is super quick and easy. And these were not actually 2 inches wide, they were slightly smaller. That's why I'm actually using my bone folder here, and I'm turning it, folding and burnishing instead of just scoring at 1 inch. So if it's slightly smaller, there is always a way. With this one, I scored at ½ inch, 1 inch and 1.5. Now I'm going to create some notches, and this way you will make sure that your bag actually can close and be flat and go in the envelope. And I really encourage you to do exactly the same. And with the side panels, we're going to stick them to both of the sides, I mean the front and the back of a bag. It's such a tongue twister, isn't it? So yes, again, I'm going to use my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, to adhere all the pieces together. And I really encourage you to start with the bottom first. Wait until the glue is set, and then you can start adding all those extra panels. I mean the left and right. And as you can see, the design papers are absolutely beautiful. And if you print it double-sided, it is stunning. So please do it. And don't forget that the links for those beautiful design papers and the description down below. And I also left the links to amazing box of sunshine, which you can check, and I really encourage you to do it, because you can create so many gorgeous projects with all those design papers created by Marta. So our bag is nearly done. Do you like it? I hope you do. And now it is time to decorate it. So yes, we're going to start with the handle, and I printed another free design paper from Buy Me a Coffee website, and these sets are actually called autumn leaves. As you can see, I created a strip, and again I'm using my one and only magic glue to adhere it with the left and the right side. It is super quick, easy, but it adds so much to your project, and I really encourage you to do exactly the same when you create your own gift bag. When this is ready, I had a look at some of the sentiments from my stash, and I decided to use Happy Birthday. And actually, with the design papers, you have that absolutely stunning and gorgeous label. So I thought it would be perfect for that sentiment. So I fussy cut it. As you can see, it is super quick and easy to do it. You don't really need matching cutting dies, it is absolutely fine. And then I'm going to stamp the sentiment. You can use any sentiment you want. I chose Happy Birthday because I want to give this bag to a very special person whose birthday is coming really soon. So I thought, why not? And to stamp my sentiment, I'm using my black Spectrum Noir waterproof ink because it always gives me that nice crisp image. When this is done, we have to put it on our bag, and I decided to use double-sided foam adhesive because I wanted to give it a little bit more dimension and interest. As you can see, I'm using some squares, and these are actually perfect because I think there are like 2 mil, which really give you amazing dimension on your project. As usual, I put few drops of liquid glue just to make sure everything is adhered. I forgot to mention that actually on Buy Me a Coffee website, you can download those elements as well. So I did fussy cut them, and as you can see, I've got them here. And I wanted to use some leaves because these are just so gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I thought, yes, let's do it. Off camera, I also created white foam flower, and yes, it is time to assemble all those pieces together. As you can see, I didn't need those ends of the leaves. I just tore it, and it's fine, you can absolutely do it. And I'm going to use my hot glue to adhere the flower. And our project is done. And I wonder, have you ever used foam flowers in your projects? Please let me know. If you have, what colors did you use? And our gift bag is ready, complete, and absolutely waiting for the recipient to get it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a fabulous day and happy crafting, and don't forget that the links to all the design papers are in the description down below. Bye!